Dorothy.
Dorothy the dinosaur. Then who is that knocking? Tell me who is that knocking on your face door?
Is it? Is it Anthony with some food to eat? Are you perplexed? Why do you have your hand on your chin?
He's digging. I'm going to dig while I go to the bathroom.
What are you thinking about?
Going to the bathroom.
Not you. What are you thinking about, Matt?
Everything.
Everything? Are you a deep thinker?
Yeah.
Are you
Think about below.
Michael Allen? Go potty. Jeez Louise. What are you thinking about?
That was my dinosaur.
Ugh.